Hi guys, so I'm making this is my backyard. I started to set up pavers, which I already have some here in the back. So I already started working, thought maybe I make a video. So first thing is to take off the sods, grass sods. You can rent a tool from Home Depot or Lowe's, but since it's just a small space, I thought I can just do it with my hand. So with the shovel you can just press it and then push it. And then about 6 inches on this side, about 6 inches, I have to do the same thing, and then the whole grass carpet will come out. All you have to do, just pull this like that. It will just come out like that. How easy? So the main idea is to make it like not more than 6 inches, otherwise it's gonna get very heavy. So let me do this first. It's about 4 inches depth, and it gets really heavy. So that's what I have to do all the way here, and then I have to put gravels and weed barrier sheet, and then sand. So that's the first step, and the hardest step is this one. I have to also level it. So after removing the grasses, I'm putting this weed barrier, and then I'll put this paver base. So it's about 4 or 5 inches deep. Once I put this, and I'll put the paver base and then pressure. So after putting the gravel and tamp it down, I put this 1-inch PVC pipe, and then I'll put this leveling sand, and then so that sand cannot be more than 1 inch thick, and then I'll put those pavers. This will give me an inch thick leveling sand. Now for the edges, I'm putting regular concrete on the side and putting the concretes so they don't move, just on the side edging. And then I'll spray some water, just a regular concrete mix. All around it. Once they dry out, they will hold all the bricks. Now we need to just cut the pavers, and I have this circular saw with a big blade. All you have to do is just cut it. Once the paving sand is leveled, you can start laying down the pavers. There are different sizes. I'm not following any specific pattern, but you can always search on Google and they have different patterns. So I'm going to start laying down like this. This one. So when you feel something is not straight, you can always put some sand there a bit. You can have it this. Okay, right.
Stop.
Okay, so now the pavers are all done. The last step is to put the polymeric sand. It's right here, polymeric sand, which I'm gonna spread it and water it and let it dry for a couple of hours, and I should be done. So this sand, let's start from this side. Clean it, make sure there's no leaves. Sure this sand goes in between those gaps, between the gaps, the pavers, gaps in between two pavers. Sure, all the sands are between the pavers. step is to just spray water. Hours, we are done. That's it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you for watching my video.